Hi, this is Mike. I'm here with Jay again with NetMotion, and today we want to talk to you about a very specific use case, tracking mobile devices and how we prevent loss. Working with a lot of my customers, one of the biggest concerns and frustrations they have is they can't track their mobile devices. They're worried about theft. An iPad is an expensive device times, by 10, 20, hundreds, or even 1,000. That's a lot of money. So I got Jay here to kind of discuss with us, how does NetMotion help track devices and help us prevent prevent loss?
Yeah, thanks, Mike. I mean, exactly what you said. We give, it is difficult. It's costly when devices, walk off and away from hospitals or campuses. And one of the things we can do at NetMotion is we can track that device at all times. So we can we sample that device and get updates on its GPS on an ongoing basis. And the great thing we can do is, one, we can provide the ability to, with our mobility product, the ability to set a pinpoint, and then based on a radius, enact policy based off of that device entering or leaving that GPS radius. So, for example, if you have a device that, we put the pinpoint in the middle of a hospital campus, and if it leaves the radius of that campus, we can quarantine that device and make sure it can only do things like, from a network level, connect back to your MDM or to your NetMotion mobility server. So you can still track it and keep an eye on it, but you can block any of that patient data from leaving that device from a network level. The other thing we can do is give you kind of a single pane of glass to see all of your devices at once. So if you want to see, if you've got hundreds of devices, you can actually see at any given time where those devices are located. And then at an individual device level, we can also show you a day in the life. So we can show you where that device has been throughout the day and where and how it's moved around.
That's awesome, because some of the things my customers, definitely there's always devices that maybe leave the facility, someone walks off, but a lot of times they're losing devices just because someone forgot where they put it.
Yeah.
And so this sounds like a way that we can actually pinpoint that device of, hey, it's still here, it's right there.
Yep, and we can also show you the last known user who was using that device as well. So if it's a shared device and you don't know where that device is, I can tell you that, hey, Mike was the last guy logged into that device.
Yeah, go find my device.
That's right.
Absolutely. So great. This is great. So I appreciate it. So, tracking mobile devices, preventing loss, finding those are something that's, its concerns are around many different verticals, and NetMotion is a great solution to solve that. So please, if you're having those kind of issues, please check out NetMotion. They are a way to fix that. Thanks.
Thank you.